Do not stop making videos. Do not stop making videos. If you're a TikTok Shop affiliate, you know exactly what I mean when I say TikTok Shop is changing. Nothing is the same on TikTok Shop anymore. I started as a TikTok Shop affiliate in 2023, and I started making money roughly August of 2023, and after starting in roughly June of 2023. So got excited, made my first couple bucks on TikTok Shop, so I kept going. At that time, I was actually posting tons of videos, tons of dance videos and voiceovers and just fun little videos. And I didn't realize that when I transferred into the TikTok Shop, doing that would actually cause a snowball of money to happen. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on things that I did to change my content and start making more money on TikTok Shop. At the end of 2023, I made roughly $20,000 in 3-month time span. And that's a lot of money for most people in that amount of time. Now, at that time, I thought, wow, I'm making so much money. I went and bought cars. I went and bought the things I needed for my baby because I was pregnant. What I didn't realize is that I needed to continue making videos for this momentum to keep up. I didn't stop making videos, but I stopped the momentum that I had. I stopped making 12 to 16 videos a day. And so what happened is my money took a nosedive. If you haven't noticed all the changes on TikTok Shop yet, you must not be a TikTok Shop affiliate, because the changes are astronomical. Even the style of content that's working on TikTok Shop is changing. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a little tidbit on what I've started to do to change up my TikTok content to start making money again. I've made videos that, in my opinion, weren't even that good when I first started, and those are the videos that actually took off. So in my opinion, videos that are more organic, that seem like they're not actually shot for TikTok Shop, are the videos that do the best. I've had so many people say, oh my gosh, I've tried so many different styles of content and nothing is working. I've tried walking around, I've tried walking up on the product, I've tried this, I've tried that. Here's the problem with what you're doing. You are switching up your content so much that you have not stayed long enough to know what works. I've even had to change every single thing that I'm doing on TikTok Shop because it wasn't working anymore. So here's a little challenge for you. I would like you to go into your analytics, and I'd like you to check on your videos. See which videos did the best. See which videos did better than the others. And start recreating those videos. Just because that video didn't take off does not mean that a new one just like it might take off. If you feel like your content isn't as good as some other people's content, then go to the other people's content. Recreate their content. There's nothing saying you can't. You can literally make a video just like theirs and start making money just like them. Back in 2023, when I started making all that money on TikTok Shop, I just thought I would continue just to make this money. I thought I had made it. I thought I had done it. And so I didn't continue to put in the work. Because I didn't continue to put in the work, I did not continue to see the momentum of the money either. If you're a TikTok Shop affiliate and you have started making money, do not stop making videos. Do not stop making videos, I promise. Keep up the momentum. Keep the money in your bank account. I've heard so many people talk about BOF, or bottom of funnel content style on TikTok Shop. They're saying that this style of content is actually taking off. This style of content is actually making a lot of money on TikTok Shop. But then I also see people talking about storytelling. So I'm sitting here and I'm going, is it storytelling or is it bottom of funnel? Which one is it? Because I am over here studying both styles, trying to figure out what it is that I need to change about my content. And you have probably come across some pretty bad bottom of funnel content. And it's where people say, don't miss out on your double discount, blah, 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 blah. And they kind of give you about the double discount, your free shipping, blah, 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 blah. You see what I'm saying? It's like a little spiel. I've seen this over and over and over, and I started to do this particular style content to no avail. There's actually a few different TikTok Shop sellers that are making thousands of dollars that are saying, you need to try storytelling. So I'm the kind of person that kind of bits and pieces and takes things from here and takes things from there, and I kind of piece it all together and make my own imprint about things. And here's what I personally figured out. I figured out that it's not bottom of funnel content that's working. And it's not storytelling content that's working. It is bottom of funnel storytelling that is working. I have to say this does take a little bit of practice, but it's basically the content where you look like you're talking to a friend on FaceTime. Simple, organic content. If you haven't given this content style a try, I highly suggest you give it a try. Get out there and start making actual money on TikTok Shop. If you enjoyed this video and you found value in it, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving tips and tricks on my TikTok Shop journey, my Amazon influencer journey, and my journey in making money online. The best part, if I learn it, you'll know it. See you next time.